Hello again, and welcome to Part 8 of the Word Game Development course. In this part, we want to add some coins to the user when they successfully complete a level and display those coins in the game. Let's get started with the tutorial. Copy the gold and its text and paste them in the level scene as well, because we want to display the user's coin count in this scene too. Place it as a child of the background and position it wherever you want. Go to the Game Manager script to start writing the code. This line declares a private integer variable named golds that will store the amount of gold. This line declares a public variable of type TextMeshPro named showGolds that references a UI text component in Unity used to display the player's gold amount on screen. And now, in the level end method, I'll write that the user gets 10 coins added each time they complete a level. This line takes the integer value stored in golds and converts it to a string, then displays it in the UI text element showGolds. This code saves the player's gold value permanently to the device, so it will still be there when the player opens the game again later. This line loads the saved gold value from the device and assigns it to the golds variable, restoring the player's gold from the previous game session. Save the code and return to Unity. Open the game scene, click on the Game Manager object, and now you should assign the coin text we created earlier to showGolds. Then go back to the level scene and run the game. Let's clear all the previously saved data first, and then run the game. Save the code and return to Unity. Run the game, open level 1, and play through the level until it ends. Now open level 2, and as you can see, we've received 10 coins from the previous level. If we complete level 2 as well, we should get another 10 coins, making the total coin count 20. Now, to display the coins in the level scene as well, we need to define some code again in the level manager code. So open the level manager script. Just copy the code we wrote for the game manager and paste it into the level manager script. Then save the code, return to Unity, and run the game again. Also, before running the game, we need to assign the show golds text again to the corresponding field in this scene as well, and then run the game. As you can see, now the coins are displayed in the level scene as well, and even after exiting the game and playing again, the previous coins still exist and haven't been deleted. Now let's create a simple animation for displaying the coins, so that when coins are added, they are added smoothly instead of all coins being added at once. Declare a private floating point variable named lerpgolds. This line smoothly moves lerpgolds toward golds using linear interpolation, creating a smooth animation effect. This line displays the animated gold value on the UI by converting the smooth floating point lerpgolds to a whole number and setting it as the text. Now we need to write these codes for the level manager script as well. After writing the codes, save them and run the game. Let's clear all the data first, and then run the game. It looks like we have a problem. Let's go and fix it. Yes, the mistake I made was that I defined the effect-related code inside the start function, but they should have been defined inside the update function. After writing the codes in update, save the code and run the game. As you saw, the code works correctly. Let's just clear all the data and play the game. Another part of this course has ended, and I hope you've learned something new. If you like this part too, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support.